Yeah, my name is Pat Byrne. I am a Control-M administrator for a government agency, and we have approximately 4,000 staff. Now, in my current role, I've been working for 4.5 years. In ICT, I've been working for 21 years. I've been using Control-M for 6 years now. And we use it to run all of our payments, batch, and any managed file transfers. So we have approximately 250 people who will use Control-M on a daily basis. Their main roles are, we have schedulers who kind of create batch jobs, we have testers, and then we have administrators and operators. I think the main features that we like the most are the scheduling and the automation side of it. Find it works really well for us. Also, another feature that we like is the file watching service, because we would interact with a lot of different sections who would be dropping files here and there. So it's great to kind of have that feature to be able to kind of kick off batch when a file becomes available. And we would use it a lot to integrate with different services. For instance, will be our Power BI for our reporting tools. We would use it there, and then for pipelines for kind of release functions as well. It's improved basically our timing, the speed of the release has, like, it's halved basically in the last 2 years. I love Control-M and I like working on it. I love how it has automated our workflow, because before we had Control-M, it was a manual workflow. It was open to user error. It was taking like a lot longer to do because of the manual checks that we would have to do before we moved on to our next piece of batch. But being able to automate it has enabled us to kind of pretty much triple our workflow. The previous say software we used was built in-house, and it would have to be changed manually if there was like a change in a variable or anything like that. That would have to be done manually. Now it's all automated. The system runs for itself. As mentioned before, we have tripled our workflow. We're doing more in less time than we used to previously. Yes, actually, because our integration with external partners has kind of become easier due to MFT that weren't there before. Now we're able to kind of connect through them. And these were, again, another manual process that was done through moving files manually from one server to another through even different partners. But now we're able to kind of just integrate it as one. That's kind of our biggest success story, has been the lack of errors, and even when we do have errors, having the outputs available to us so we can actually see it kind of quite clearly what the problem is. It's brilliant. It's been really good for us. As I said, we've added so much to it over the last kind of 2 or 3 years. We've added more users, we've added more jobs, we've added all different types of job, OS jobs, MFTs, file watching, everything, and it's been absolutely no problem for us to add. Like, I think we probably doubled our amount of jobs in the last 2 years. So we've had absolutely no problem with it. It's scaling perfect.